This is Tully with World Drone Congress here at UAV Expo, and I'm here with, what is your name?
Yeah, 富华.
Yeah. And the name of your company?
立中软体 UAV.
You guys are located where?
In the middle China, Henan province.
Henan province.
Yeah.
And the thing I really want to show are these amazing inflatable drones.
It was made by the airbag, and all this airbag protect human, protect equipment, protect anything you install.
So if I understand correctly, this plastic is laser cut, and all this carbon fiber is CNC cut by a CNC mill. And on some of the drones you even have some laser cut plastic. So pretty much all of this is rapid prototyping technology. And if I understood correctly, even the heat sealing you can do in a rapid prototype.
Yeah, it's automated.
Is it automated?
Yeah, automated.
So they can make the drone pretty much
safer and easy to use.
So they can make them in many different sizes and shapes pretty easily, and they can even print different patterns and logos on the drone. So they can make it to exactly however you'd like. So this is like a research and development drone. It's got the Pixhawk and the Raspberry Pi, so
and optical flow.
An optical flow.
Yeah.
So it's very good for developing software.
You can verify your algorithm with it, and it makes you safer and more confident.
And I really like these. These are anchor points. Inside there are M3 nuts.
Yeah.
Inside, so you can screw different hardware onto the drone. We got a big one. That thing is huge. So this one has like a 3D printed FPV camera on it. It looks like laser cut, and these are like the landing drone feet. Thank you very much for showing me the inflatable drones. All right.